landing so far, isn't it? Sorry? I do 2-part video.
Okay.
Started another one. Please be a soft touchdown. Yes. Well, please be a soft touchdown. Going quite fast, isn't he? Dad? Here goes. Mom, there you go, Mom.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Birmingham Airport. The local time is 4:05. Please stay in your seat with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Before you leave the aircraft, please ensure you do have all your personal belongings, just checking the area around you and above you. Before you leave, and please take care when you open the lockers in case the bag could fall out and hurt someone. Please have your passports ready for presentation to immigration authorities inside the airport terminal. And we'd like to remind the smoking on board that smoking is still not permitted. Any passengers requiring assistance inside the airport terminal, our ground staff Swiss support to be happy to assist you. Just miss what we said, on behalf of your captain, first officer, your cabin crew, and Thomas, we do hope you enjoy the flight. I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us. We do sincerely apologise for the late arrival of the flight. And for any inconvenience today, of course, but we do hope to see you again soon on your next Thomas Cook flight. Thank you, and have a good afternoon.